you can't hear me, and the reason you can't hear me is because there's an extremely loud Vortex supercharged box body owned by my good buddy Scotty Whitehorn. Yes, guys, yes, it is back, and it was about last year this time, guys. I don't know if you remember, we had a red LX hatch come in with a lot of wiring issues. Well, as you can clearly see, this is a car. A few things have changed. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, so again, if you've been around the channel a while, you remember this car, and actually it was a red LX hatch. Well, I mean, it still is, but Scotty, you've been busy, man.
Yeah,
dude, you've been really busy. So we got this is the Cervinis, right?
Yes.
Cobra body kit on it. So I mean, basically now it looks like a 93 Cobra, and rear spoiler, tail lights, everything. I mean, this thing came out great. You swapped up, you had the SVE drift wheels on it before, yeah. And now it's got the Terminator, black Terminator wheels with the T-Street SS. Can't go wrong there. Got the tail lights, I mean, the rear spoiler, even got the right sticker. Guys, let me just tell you, if you don't have that sticker on your Fox, I mean, come on, what are you doing?
That's extra horsepower.
Exactly. I mean, come on. But yeah, guys, this thing, it was super clean when he brought it. It just needed some wiring stuff, got all that straightened around. But since then, yeah, guys, she's clean. Scotty's been busy. Dude, you got interior stuff too. Yeah. You've done quite a bit to the interior.
I changed the gauges up a little bit.
I see that. Okay, so you got the Cobalt, looks like the Florida 5.0 gauges. Very nice. Then you got the center stack there. Got the big pimpin' radio. Corbo seats, K Designs rear seat delete. Looking good, man. I'm telling you, you've been busy. But
it's still a work in progress.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, guys, they're all a work in progress. I mean, it is what it is. But as you clearly heard, we got the noisy S trim Vortex, which is like, okay, it is music to your ears. It is.
For a moment. For
a moment, yeah. we were talking about that. Yes, that sound is intoxicating, but it does get a little bit old after a while. But now if you're driving through a show, or if you're, you know, you want people to hear that whistle, you want them to know what's up.
Like I was telling you, at a red light, you either get a thumbs up or you get a
what in the world's going on?
That's not electric.
But remind me, what heads are on it?
It's just got a GT40P head.
GT40 heads, yeah, System X. So you got a lot. I mean, you got a lot of room to grow here.
I've been changing things for growth. It's got 60-pound injectors in it now, and
nice.
It's got a 340 fuel pump. I got another pulley for it. I just meth injection. I just don't have time.
Yep. Little baby steps, you know. It takes a long way, and I've tried to tell people on the channel, it's like, you know, they're a work in progress. They're always going to be a work in progress. And I mean, it's an old freaking car. Unless you pay somebody to do you a front to rear restoration, and even then, I mean, you're still gonna have little adjustments, little tweaks, little stuff like that. But I freaking love it. We need to get it out on the road. How much boost does it usually?
It'll get, if I'm wide open, and I'll probably around 6 pounds, 5, 6 pounds. Yeah, nice.
Oh, he won't bother it.
I guess he knows what we're about.
Hey, right, it's got a motor horse on it?
Yeah. I've got a good friend of mine, he turned me on to it. It's cheaper than getting the computer. And he's a smart dude, and he's got me pretty dialed in. Right? It's a lot
try for accurate boost number here. Let's see what she does.
I'll take it far enough.
Yeah, it looked almost 8 pounds. Just a hair under 8 pounds. Alright, so what's your next plans for it? No, you're good.
I'm gonna put the meth injection on it and the pulley, and then recoup.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty much it's good to go for a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, it runs good, it looks good. Got Willwood 6-piston brakes on it.
It stops good.
Oh yeah, the brakes feel amazing. I mean, this car from the time you brought it to the shop last time to now is an amazing difference. I mean, it really is.
I had a lot of help from a bunch of my buddies, you know.
Yeah.
I can't thank them enough.
Yep. Definitely always, most cars are a team effort.
And I got a pretty understanding wife. Sometimes.
That helps.
Sometimes.
That definitely helps. But the drivability though, I mean, it's pretty well dialed in, dude.
Yeah. He done a good job.
Yeah.
He, like I said, he's smart.
All right, guys. So we had to show what Scotty's got going on back here. 'Cause you got a lot. You got a lot working back here. Yeah. Dude, I love it.
And it's just a 12-inch sub. I cut a big old hole and put a big screen over it.
Yeah.
It's dirty. I got a
Oh,
driveway.
Hey, it's dust, you know, it is what it is. No, that looks great though. Yeah, where's all your amps and stuff? Are they up under there? Oh.
Right now they're under the seat.
I got you.
When I put the battery inside of there, I'm gonna probably put them in there also.
And this is the K Designs?
Yeah.
Rear seat delete? That's nice. That looks good. And then you've got, there's like storage in that.
Yeah, it's full of stuff.
Full of junk.
Yeah.
No, that looks, I like it though. I mean, the design and everything looks really good. Look at there, cleaning supplies. Yeah, put your laptop if you do some tuning. Everything hidden out of the way, rags.
Ready.
Yeah, that's clean, dude. I love it. How many watts you push into the sub?
Man,
A couple hundred? Just enough for a little boom boom, right? Yeah.
I bought a toned out car that was immaculate, beautiful.
Ah, I got you.
And it was in there, and the guy owned a stereo company.
Ah, okay, so that's good stuff there. That's not a W7, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, okay, so you
It's
scored
all,
then.
Yeah, all JL audio all the way around it. JL audio amp.
Nice.
That's $1,100 head unit.
Oh, these subs are crazy expensive. Man, I love how flush everything is. That is wicked. All right, boys, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. Another wicked heads cam intake Vortec car. And of course, the Cobra clone too. Dude, I love it. You killed it. Congratulations.
I just call it a Cobra my way.
Yeah, exactly. It looks great. And I forgot, guys, I'm a slacker. I forgot to show you all the Willwood brakes. It stops great. And the Cobra kit, and this is the same color as my car. You know, so I'm looking at it like, ah, man, it's giving me ideas. I don't know. I love it. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.